These are some Lennox air conditioners at my neighbor's house. This one is from 1998, and this one is newer, but I do not know what year it's from because there's no data sheet. These are both straight cool units. The house has a separate oil hot water baseboard heating system. There is one boiler, and it is separated into 4 zones with 4 separate programmable thermostats. The original house, I believe, was built in the 1950s, and then the previous owners tore it down, but they saved the foundation and then built a brand new house over the existing foundation in the late 90s. So it's now a 2-story house. I think it was I don't know if it was a 1-story or a 2-story before. But yeah, they saved the foundation and just built a new house over it in like 97. I will try to get a video of these AC units running sometime. It's a little bit humid right now, but it's pleasant, and air conditioning isn't really needed right now. This one is a Lennox Value Series. And I actually think there were 2 of these here before, but the other one might have failed and they put this one in. This one appears to be fairly new. Still trying to find a data sheet on it. I don't think it has one. And I think this one is a 2 nominal ton, and that one is pretty much the same size. So I assume that's a 2 nominal ton as well. Nice installation, in my opinion. And some of you may remember chickens and ducks coming through my backyard. There they are. They belong to my neighbor. And I think there might be more inside the hen house, but don't know. I think the chickens are like 8 or 9 months years old. 8 or 9 months old. And me standing over the pen here, I think they might think they're getting fed. Yeah, they think they're getting fed. They think they're getting fed. People who used to live here before actually had roosters and chickens. Don't know if there's anyone else inside the hen house. No, there's not. And for some reason, the chickens follow the duck. They made a little visit to my backyard last January, I think. And I don't know how big this house is. I think it's like 2,500 square feet. I don't know. I know it's 4 bedrooms. But yeah, a couple of Lennox condensers, straight cool units, not heat pumps. This is just a cool only system, separate from the heating system. Disconnect boxes. That one actually has a duck on it. Midwest. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.